then you need to hear this. Discover the magic of Theta Treatments and advanced wellness devices. Theta Treatments are revolutionizing the way we approach holistic healing. Imagine tapping into the power of brainwave frequencies to enhance your client's well-being and unlock their potential. With our easy-to-learn techniques, you'll be guided every step of the way until you're a pro. But that's not all. Holistic Technologies brings you state-of-the-art devices designed to complement your Theta Treatments. These advanced tools are engineered to amplify healing and elevate your practice to new heights. Why settle for ordinary when you can offer extraordinary? Join the growing community of healers who are transforming lives with Theta Treatments and cutting-edge devices. Visit www.holistic-technologies.com to learn more and take the first step towards a brighter, healthier future for you. Because when it comes to wellness, you deserve the best. Unlock wellness today.